the fuck?
Drinking.
Wait.
What is that?
Is it a bug or is it a seed?
I think it's a bug.
I have no idea.
Drinking wine at the park. Wait, what are those called again?
White Claw.
And White Claws.
Some people make money from that. I'm like, what? How? Like, how do you grow your vlog so big?
Playing Cards Against Humanity. This is Evie's boy. Evie herself.
Caroline's coming out. She's just doing
The wine. The vibes. Caroline. The lights. I made myself nachos and guac. PDA.
I was thinking the same thing.
I'm going on a run. It's almost 9 a.m. and I find that whenever I go after 9 a.m., that's when it gets way too hot and I get dizzy while I'm running. I'm also running on an empty stomach because that's what adrenaline does. So I'm gonna go fill up my water bottle and put it in the fridge so that when I get back from my run, I have cold water to drink. I don't know what that is. I can't wait to eat the rest of my sushi today. I love when people do things like that with the rocks. I want to learn how to do those. Guys, I'm happy that I went running earlier because I haven't even been back for an hour and there's thunder and a bunch of rain. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if my phone picked that up, but there's thunder. Haha. Boop, boop. I'm eating sushi and Evie is eating. What are you eating?
Salads.
Salad. I wanted to show you guys my new phone case. It's from Ideal of Sweden. It's not new or anything. I wanted it for like so long, like literally 3 years. and they put it on sale since it's like an old design, and I got it for like only $20. I was like, well, I still love it, but they discounted it because it was old. So yeah, I'm excited. I find it matches my blonde hair. Evie left my keys on the windowsill because I had left it in her door because it got stuck, and yeah, I literally could not get it out, and I'm supposed to call my landlord to tell him about this because I keep getting stuck outside of the apartment. Okay, there's something that I want to tell you guys about that I hesitated for the past 10 minutes to tell you guys. And my conclusion is that I do want to share it with you guys, so here we are. I know that I'm not a celebrity, but I'm going to explain afterwards why I'm still sharing this with you guys. My boyfriend and I are no longer together. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you, even though I'm not a celebrity, like I feel like regular people like usually don't like make their breakups public. Two different girls now have DM'd me on Instagram to let me know that Nick is on Tinder. And okay, so now that I'm editing this vlog, I realize that it sounds like I'm ungrateful or unimpressed that those girls just wanted to help me. No, I'm very grateful. Thank you. Thank you, but he didn't cheat on me. Like, yeah, so like, but like, thank you anyway. They're like, hey, sorry girl, like I hate being the one to show you this, but it's fine. We're not together anymore. He's not cheating on me. We broke up 3 days ago, and I'm on Tinder too. And him and I have nothing but love for each other, but it was my decision. And he was literally the best boyfriend ever. I just didn't know if he, like when I pictured my future, I was starting to have doubts as to whether he was the face of like the father of my future children. And it was hard because emotionally I still love him, but I forgot to mention this while I was filming, but keep in mind, Nick and I are both Capricorns, so this was a very practical breakup. I'm not saying that there were absolutely zero emotions involved. Breakups are always sad, but this was, like, there was a lot of logic behind my decision, and Nick and I had a conversation about it that was very like based on trying to find solutions, and it was one of those problems where sadly there was no solution. There was something in me that didn't think he was the right person, even though he treated me perfectly, which sucks. I wish that we could decide who we feel chemistry with. I wish we could decide who we see a future with, but that's not the way that life works. Okay, now that I'm editing, I realize that it sounds like maybe some people could interpret this as Nick is not husband material. No, he is. He's going to be the best father to his kids one day. He's going to be the best husband to his wife one day. I'm not saying that he's universally and generally not like future material. I'm just saying that he's not part of my future. And if you're a girl and you think Nick is hot, you should totally go for it. That being said, now back to my life. There's a law of attraction technique or practice that I do once a year, and yesterday I realized that I haven't done this in a year. So the timing is perfect for me to show you guys what I do. It's about how to plan your future. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm just trying to find a blank page in my journal. Okay, so what I do is I plan where I want to be in 2 weeks, where I want to be in 3 months, or 2 months, and where I want to be in a whole year. Since this is just a vlog and not like a sit down, tutorial, I do both on this YouTube channel, but this video is a vlog, so I'm not going to, get too deep into why I do this, but I'm just going to do like a little sketch to give you guys an example right quick. So 2 weeks, okay, in 2 weeks, I want 200 YouTube subscribers, 10,000 TikTok followers. I'm already at 4,000 followers on TikTok. By the way, I want to say welcome to my new YouTube subscribers that found out about this YouTube channel through my TikTok account. I see you. Thanks for subscribing to me here as well. I know that watching someone's YouTube videos is a bigger investment than just like scrolling through their TikToks. So it means that if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, it means that you think that I'm entertaining and interesting enough to listen for 10 minutes plus and not just 60 seconds. So I'm honored and flattered. I'm also going to put 10 clients because I currently have 4. Okay, then I'm going to do 2 months. I'm going to bump up 200 YouTube subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, I decided to cut out the rest of this clip because you guys get the idea. I might make a video where I speak about this technique more in depth, but for today, that's it. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. I'll see you next time.